What's up, YouTube? So I have some very sad news, and it is that Froggy the Exploder has died. She just exploded like exploders do. So as you can see right there, there's a massive hole in the engine block. So I'm not really sure how that happened, but it did. And now I have no truck anymore. So now that I have no truck, that means we're gonna try bringing Teggy back.
Eggs.
Hey! I miss you so much. I'm excited. Hopefully you don't need too much work. Yeah! That's smoky. Look at all that smoke. She does have a fuel leak, and when we started her, all this kind of spewed out, and then drip, 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 drip. Stopped again. Big wet spot. But it looks like when you...
It's more up there, you can see it under the car.
Yeah, but it doesn't look too bad when like she's actually driving. But we can see where it's coming from. It's coming from right there. A coolant leak coming from here, so I think this clamp just needs to be tightened. But other than that, I don't see anything that jumps out at me. But we'll see more when we take a look.
The engine mounts look really good.
Yeah, they're new engine mounts.
Oh, they are?
I got, yeah, they got replaced when I bought it.
Ah.
And same with the tie rod ends.
Oh, okay, I was wondering.
So right here, we have our lines. I think this one is the fuel line because it looks so rusted. I'm gonna go further back though and take a look.
This guy?
Oh, that's awful.
Woo! Hi, buddy. Great in Teggy.
You like my exhaust?
It's so bad.
Okay, so let me just. What happened was I did a muffler delete and then I bought this. It's a MagnaFlow glass pack.
Okay.
And it obviously doesn't go all the way to the end. So I bought this flex pipe, and then I got an exhaust tip. And one day, like I was just like walked out to my car, and it just rusted and fell off. So I have the exhaust tip in the garage over there, but like it's like zip tied.
That's great. I love it.
She needs a new battery because the only way to start her is with a jump box or from a jump from another car. So that's definitely a must before I even think about driving this, because that would just suck. Oh, and something else I forgot to say is that this does need a new e-brake cable, because on the left side it's snapped. It just doesn't e-brake at all.
They have like these e-brake things, and you put it, like you clamp it around the wire, and then it connects the two, so you don't have to like weld it or
no way.
do anything. So you literally just clamp it on both
sides.
sides.
I just gotta find where it's snapped.
Exactly, and then just connect them and then clamp it.
Oh, sweet.
My boobs.
What about them?
They don't fit.
They don't fit under the car?
No.
That's unfortunate. Guys, get yourself a girl that can change her own oil, because it makes her awesome, cool, the best, and really hot. I mean, like, you're hot already, but like the fact that you work on your own car is even hotter. Yes, Ray.
Stop. This is always difficult.
That's why I use a breaker bar.
It's too long.
Great pouring technique. Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Okay, so we came inside for a little lunch break, and after looking underneath the car and everything, I'm gonna do some research and see how I can fix what I need to fix. So when we went inside, I never actually did any research on Teggy.
We did our homework.
Yeah, Ray did homework, and I did some work, and I finished the vlog from like a week ago. And I also uploaded something that's gonna go up later tonight. Well, when you guys watch this though, it won't be tonight. But yes, the video will already be up by the time you see this, so. What are we doing right now?
Going to my house for dinner in the minivan.
Yes, and we're also going to talk to Hannah Ray's dad. I don't think I've told you guys that he is a mechanic.
He was a mechanic for like 30 years.
Yeah, he was a mechanic, but now he's an instructor at
a vocational school.
Yep.
He teaches auto to special ed kids. So he knows a lot about cars, so we're going to talk to him, figure out the best plan for David. Yeah.
Okay, so we're done at Ray's house now, and so what we're going to do with the Ford is...
dead.
I'm going to list it as is with all the parts on it. The only thing I'm going to switch back to stock is the radio. And I'm going to list it on Craigslist for like $2,000, and I'm going to hope to get probably like $1,500 or $1,000 for it.
So, if anybody wants it,
hit me up. And so that's for the Ford. And then for the Integra, I'm going to... Yeah, we're going to pull it up to Hannah Ray's house so her dad can work on it, and gonna get that battery, fuel line, and the brake lines all done, and just gotta get it driving. And then I also have to register and insure it because
that's very important in New Jersey.
Because it's important, yeah. Yep. That's the plan. I hope it goes well. I hope Teggy lasts me.
We have Mr. Force on our side.
But yeah, I just really need the Integra to last me until I get a new car. So I have to work hard. Okay, so I know this looks like we're still sitting in the same spot, but I promise you we're not. We had stuff to do at the warehouse. We unloaded Ori's car with him. And now we're at Quick Check, saying goodbye. But we're also saying goodbye to you guys.
Yeah,
just for tonight though. But so anyways, but tomorrow, before we actually say goodbye, tomorrow we are gonna pull Teggy up to Ray's house.
Yay!
So we're gonna rent a dolly, a car dolly, and hook it up to the back of Gennaro's truck.
The beast.
Yeah. And if you guys haven't already, be sure to go check out the video I put together for Beast Mode. It's pretty lit. And yeah, so see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Ciao.